We have to get this headrest out, and that thing is stuck in there, and it's just, there's no release button or anything, you just gotta yank on it. But I tried yanking on it, it doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to hit it with the hammer, I guess, and get it out. This flex tension works great for those tight spaces, for those 10 mils. And they have a snap ring here. So you have to get this outer piece off first, which is pressed in. Then you can get the rest of this off. You can put that in your new seat cover. Alright, so after trimming pieces of foam, I was able to get it in there. Now obviously if you're having a very thin piece of leather, like the original, like this, where it's just leather, no padding, then these little gaps might show up, these little bumps. But our new leather here has an additional foam piece to the back of it that'll soak up any of those little ripples, especially right here in the middle. It's like pretty thick foam. So the way I fixed this was, instead of putting foam on top, which will be hard to make it level, we put foam on the bottom. So all I did was fill in the holes on the bottom where all the horsehair material was missing. So I was able to do that. So that makes it extra soft because it still has this original feeling, or this original padding here, but then on the bottom it has the support of the actual foam. And then these pieces here are glued in, and then so just have to wrap it and we're done. 3M Super 77. Works great. Spray it on, let it sit for a little bit, let it tack up, stick these on, trim to fit, and you're good to go, man. here is where those rods go in. These little fabric channels here. Just gonna hold like that. Where the channels are going. Then we're gonna slide this in. Just like that.